Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we're a sneaker review and unboxing of the ALTRA TIMP 5. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank the subscribers new and old. Without you guys, I can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the ALTRA TIMP 5. We've got this in the brown tan colorway, in the UK size 8, European 42.5, and this is US 9. So we've got a review of the running brand ALTRA's. We've got another look at their trail running sneaker, and this is the TIMP. A really dope sneaker, if I do say so myself. It's lightweight, it's a trail running sneaker, and it's what the guys at ALTRA are known for. They're known for their running sneakers, but this time, this one is for trail running, and you can see all the details once we go through it. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. You can see the heavy lugs, traction patterning, and the Vibram that's there. Obviously that's right there just to help you get the best traction and the best grip for your runs. The midsole unit, so this uses the ALTRA Ego Max foam. So that's there for your cushioning and support. And then you look at the upper. So the upper is in this really dope brown, light brown, that complements the blue midsole unit, and it's made out of meshes and heat pressed plastics. So essentially, you look at the upper, it's a lot of the mesh, and then you got the heat pressed plastics. So you can see at the toe box, that's there to prevent any abrasion. At the lateral sides, you got the ALTRA pressed plastics in its logos. And you can see the similar thing at the medial sides. You've got flat laces, a very nice, comfy, padded tongue, and you've got padded ankle collars because you're going to be doing a lot of running in the trails. And you've got the ALTRA Trail running logo that's inside the synthetic insole. Pull tabs at the back. I don't know what this hook and loop system does, but it's there. You got a pull tab, very lightweight. You know, the guys at ALTRA, they wanna make the best trail running sneakers. We'll see when I try these on. So roll that footage of me trying these TIMP 5s for you. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size fit. Typically, I am a European 42. These fit perfectly. There is a little note that they put on the ALTRA website where the toe box is going to be a bit more spacious, but that's there for your runs, and they purposely did that because of it being a trail running sneaker. My foot is not slipping out, so it fits fine. Very lightweight, very comfortable. It's what I expect in a trail running sneaker.